Assalamualaikum. Hello kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today let's learn the phonic sound of all the letters. Are you ready? So, let's go.
A for apple. A apple. B for ball. Ba ball. C for cat. Cat. D for door. Door. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fish. Fish. G for grapes. Grapes. H for horse. Horse. I for igloo. Igloo. J for juice. Juice. K for kite. Kite. L for lion. Lion. M for moon. Moon. N for nurse. Nurse. O for orange. Orange. P for pumpkin. Pumpkin. Q for queen. Queen. R for rabbit. Rabbit. S for spider. Spider. T for train. Train. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V for van. Van. W for window. Window. X for fox. Fox. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zebra. Zebra.